The evaluation phase is a phase of activities in an extensive change, seen here in the flowchart on the Change Management module page. Let's see how to use it in a new change template. As I said, it only exists for extensive changes. So let's select Extensive Change and then enable the evaluation phase. Now we'll see the settings for the evaluation phase down here. When all activities in the evaluation phase have been resolved or skipped, an operator or manager must authorize the closure of the evaluation phase. You can choose the operator or the manager here. Now let's take a look at what the evaluation phase looks like in the planner of an existing extensive change template with the evaluation phase enabled. I'll just go back to the Change Management module page, click on the Templates overview, and we'll open up the first one, New Workstation. So we see here that the evaluation is enabled. It's assigned to Fred, who is an operator, and in the planner, we see the two evaluation phase activities down here.